I gotcha. You are learning Blender, but you don't want to create donuts anymore. You want to create one landscape like this or one environment just like this one. But I have a suggestion for you. Why don't you try to model this television, for example, or this door over here?
And trust me, if you do that, you won't get frustrated.
So in this tutorial, we are going to model this barrel here. It's easy to create, can fit in different environments, and you can create low poly or high poly. First of all, open your Blender, click Shift A, and then create one cylinder. To make this cylinder similar to one barrel, just scale this in Z-axis. So now if you hit Tab, you can just switch to Edit mode, and if you hit Ctrl R, you can just add loop cuts, and if you just scroll your mouse, you can just add more loop cuts. In this case, I'm gonna select one of them and press G twice just to control this in the way that I want. So now press and hold Alt, select these edges, go to Mesh, Transform, Shrink and Fatten. And now if you just move your mouse, you can just make this a little bit bigger or smaller. After that, I'm gonna press Ctrl B to add bevels, and then with my right button, I'm gonna click in my mesh and select Shade Smooth, and here we go. Now with my mouse, I'm gonna click here and drag, and then I'm gonna select UV editor, and then I'm gonna do the same thing here, but I'm gonna select shade editor. So clicking this option to add a new material, Shift A to add a new node, and then just search for image texture. Now I just need to import my image texture, clicking in open. After finding your image, you just need to click in open image, plug your color into base color, and here I just need to find my image. Now I gotta go to edit mode, select my mesh, press U and the UV unwrap this. Perfect. Now we just need to apply one color ramp and then plug the color into factor and color into roughness. And here we go. If you want to add more details to your texture, press Shift A again and select Bump. Now you just need to be careful with one thing. Hold Shift while you are adjusting your values. Doing this, you are going to control your values more precisely. So now it's all up to you. Adjust your roughness values and bump values in the way that you want and be happy. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy it and see you in the next video.